Morning, everyone. Ed from the Perfetto Group, Perfetto Realty Group, any other group. Got lots of groups. Early morning walk with the puppy. Just it's a great time to get insightful. Yeah, I like to spin plates. I like to have a lot of stuff going on. Keeps me busy. I can go from one project to the other. And you hear people, or I've heard people say, get something started today, start something today. And yeah, I do that all the time. But what really matters is you need to finish something. It's a great feeling getting stuff started, You get excited, opportunity, creativity, potential earnings maybe. But man, when you finish, it's like on a house. When you close, whew, yeah, that's what it's all about. So if you got some projects pending, my recommendation is just go ahead and close them out. Finish them up. Take the time. Get them off your list. Get them off your chest. Get them off your stressed. Have a great day.